Hey WhatsApp user, want to create a poll using your laptop? No worries, I'll show you how to do it. Let's go. First, open the browser and go to web.whatsapp.com. Scan the QR code with your phone. Now you are logging into your WhatsApp. Now open your WhatsApp. Go to any personal or group chat where you want to post a poll. Click the paperclip or attachment icon. Select the poll. Now let's create the actual poll. Type your question at the top. Add answer option. Click send. Boom, the poll is live and people can vote now. To see the result, just tap the poll inside the chat. It updates in real time. Want more WhatsApp trick? Drop a comment, like, subscribe, and see you in next one.